60 degrees. Welcome back to another video. Today we have lithium ion batteries. This is a LiPULS battery that they just sent me. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more deals, price glitches. It's a LiFePO4 battery. It is a 100 amp hour battery. Alright, so it does come with an instruction manual. Oh, this is a really nice manual actually. Wow, it comes with a bag and everything. Got dates installed and all that stuff. Recommended current amount 20 amps. Maximum charge current 100 amps. Recommended voltage 14.6. BMS cutoff voltage 15.4. Maximum continuous discharge current 100 amps. Charge current 200 amps. BMS discharge 300 amps. So there's all sorts of, it tells you the specifications, how big it is. 5.4 inches, 8.35 tall, 9 inches wide. Got another guard here. Very, very nice. And then some more instructions. So yeah, this is really nice. I love color. You got graphs, all sorts of illustrations. 2 different terminals. Yeah, 2 different sets. Total of 4. That's nice. All right, this comes sealed. Wow, this is a really compact battery, guys. This thing is super small. Got the terminals right here. We're just gonna test it real quick, see if it's fully charged. If not, then we'll put it to the charge. We got a trusty multimeter. Doesn't work, but it works half of the time. But 13.2, so that's fairly decent. That's about 13.1 is 40%. We're gonna install an inverter and we're gonna hook up an AC on it. Actually see if it'll start that AC. That's a big AC right there. Alright, so we got this inverter. Alright, so we're going to connect the positive and positive. Gonna grab this one and tighten it up as well. Right here. Spark. So we got a kilowatt meter. This will read the watts and all that stuff. All right, looks like it's on. It says voltage all the way to 14 volts, system normal. Got 117, 118 volts. We're just gonna throw it on the watts. 0. We got an AC right there, 14,000 BTU AC. It's gonna be on the larger side, so we're just gonna go ahead and see how well this thing handles it. So we're just gonna plug it in here. Alright, so we got it plugged in. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. It's going to take a while. Let's measure the temperature. 80 degrees. 80 degrees. 63 degrees. 60 degrees. Oh, this feels so good. It's like 114 today here in Phoenix? So it's really hot in here. And this AC is going to cool me down. 879 watts. Temperature on positive. 80 degrees. It's nice and cool. It handles the current. Let me just see the amps. So we're pulling about 11.10 amps. Change it back to the watts. So we're at 1239 watts. So that thing ramped up all the way up. And it's normal for the voltage to drop on the battery. So I don't know if you guys could see that, but it did drop a little bit. 1400 watts. 84 degrees. 81. 86. It's getting a little warmer, but it's fine. Battery seems to be 77 degrees. Oh wow, it feels nice in here. We're still at 1400 watts. It's taking, this battery is taking a beating. 1500 watt. That thing's getting warm. Not really. Just to, maybe I threw the inside a little bit. It's not a lot. 79, 89. Alright guys, going back to this battery. It works pretty good. It does take the load. My recommendations is make sure you guys size your solar system or whatever you're doing your project. Make sure you guys size it accordingly. This is a mini battery. So this is a mini compact battery. I think this is a great buy. As of now, it works great. On the long run, I cannot tell you that, but for now, it works great. It does have other information there in case you guys got any questions. Guys, I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of the video. Big shout out to LiPULS for sending us this battery. They did send us this battery. They are not paying us for this. So I will put this with my other batteries. I will be testing this long term. So guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more 2 deals, price glitches. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.